Welcome back, guys. Jimmy Shaka here again, and today we are going to discuss about how to search with locate and find to find a particular string that you're looking for in a particular or given directory or your entire system. Let's say you're looking for all files and directories that may contain a particular key string, and you wanted to know what are those files and directories. In that case, you want to use the locate command and the find command to see which files and directories contain that key string. Let's start with locate. Locate, first of all, on Ubuntu, locate is not by default installed on Ubuntu. You have to manually install this, right? And to do that, you have to run the command sudo apt install mlocate. And when you do that, it's going to run and install. And I already did. I don't need to now, but that's how you would have to install the mlocate on your computer. Now, the locate function or locate command is relatively faster than the find command, because the locate command doesn't search in real time your entire system. Instead, it relies on the previously built database, and it searches into that database, and if you find something, it's going to let you know. But you have to constantly have to update your database in order for the locate command to be able to output or find whatever you're looking for in real time. Okay, so how do you say you're looking for, how do you use this command, right? Locate. Say you're looking for let's say you're looking for all the files and directories that contain the word, say, shadow. Okay, and as you can see, let me pipe it with word count command here. As you can see, we have a total of 98 paths that contain the string shadow. Okay, so we have 98 different locations. Okay, but if we are looking for, see, for instance, check this one out here. You can see that the base of this path doesn't contain the word shadow, but the word shadow was found here, right there. So to exclude such files that don't have your key string in the base, so you want to include the option -b for base, and when you enter, you notice that we have been reduced from 98 to 94. So the number of output that's going to come out of this with the -b are only those that contain the key string you're looking for in the base. Like that one has the key string shadow in the base. All right, so let me remove the word count option here. So if you enter with the -b, everything here is going to be everything that has the key string shadow in the base. Exactly what we're looking for. Now let's say you're not interested in anything, like you see that test hyphen shadow hyphen vars. Let's say you're just looking for the files that have shadow by itself. You don't want nothing else. You don't want G shadow. You don't want stats plus shadow underscore stat. No, you want none of that. Okay, in that case, what you want to do is you want to add the option of So you want to add, so you want to do this, and then add the backslash to your keyword that you're looking for. And in this case, it's going to omit everything that doesn't have the key string shadow as the base, right? And that is going to be gone. All of that is going to be gone except a few ones, like a few ones like let's find out. Okay, actually, no need to guess. Enter. See that? It only came up with these few lines that have exactly shadow as the string we're looking for at the base. Okay, it ignored the other 90 something that have shadow in the base but with other stuff, right? Pretty cool. So that's how you use the locate to find your files / directories using a key your keyword as a string. One thing to remember is that let's create a file and let's call it Jimmy test.text file. Okay, I'm assuming this is a unique file. Okay, now as you can see, it's located here in the home directory. Jimmy right there. Okay, now let's try to locate this file. Okay, locate Jimmy test.txt. What do you notice? We did not find it. Why? Because it's not in the database. You have to constantly update your database in order to reflect your most current status of your files and directories. So to do that, run sudo command update database db. D as in Delta, B as in Bravo. Sudo update db. Enter my sudo command, my sudo privilege password, and just like that, the updated the locate database has been updated. Now let's locate it again. Just like that, it found it. Interesting, right? Now let's delete this file, Jimmy test.txt. Remove that. So we removed it, right? Let's try to locate this file again after we removed it. Guess what? It found the path to the file, even if it's already gone. So to avoid such mistakes, you want to include your extension E here for existing files. Okay, if they're not there, it's going to give you nothing. Enter, just like that. It told us there's nothing there because we deleted it. Okay, but if you forget the -E option, it's still gonna tell you that there's a path to the file in the system when we know there's nothing there. Okay, now if you wanna, Linux is case sensitive operating system, meaning it makes a distinction between uppercase and lowercase, right? Let's say I mistyped this file. I did this intentionally and trying to locate this. Of course, we're not going to find anything, but in order to tell locate to ignore to ignore uppercase or lowercase or anything, to find everything that has this particular characters, you want to use the -I for ignore, and in that case it's going to find you what you're looking for, ignoring it's going to be case insensitive. Okay, case insensitive. Okay, so the M here, uppercase M and lowercase m, they're all treated the same. In this case, it's found something for us, and of course you can do that with say uppercase like that, uppercase S, uppercase S, H, lowercase a, locate, and it found everything that has the word shadow regardless whether it's uppercase or lowercase. Pretty interesting, right? Now with this one, the next one here, it's a little bit advanced, but it does this pretty much in a similar way. Let's say you were looking for searching for let's say shadow here. You're looking for anything in the directories and files that may contain the keyword or string shadow, and caret. So in that case, what you want to now, let's talk about this one. Let's talk about this one that's a little bit more advanced. Let's say you are locating. So locate shadow and back to that inside the brackets. Okay, now let me explain this command here. So you can search with the regular expression regex, regular expression, in this case shadow, anything that has in the base the key string key name key string keyword, should I say, shadow. So that's the path to the remove file that contains the path to the command rm remove, the where it found the keyword find. In this case, there is a multiple location. There is that, and then there's this. So if you wanted without the -a option, it's going to only display the first location where it found your search, the thing you're looking for. But if you include -a, it's going to display every single thing out there that contains the path to your command. In this case, we have two here, and you can of course pass as many commands here as you want. Copy, list, remove, find, and let's say that, and you can see it listed the path to the ls command, copy command, remove, and find. And then that's it. This concludes this pretty much. And in the next video we're going to talk about the find command, and stay tuned. Just like this, like I said, here's how you use the locate to find your file, to find your particular file or directory that contains your keyword or string that you're looking for. And I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.